Okay, Dave, it's time to come inside now.
No. I don't want to, I want to play outside.
But Dave, in case you haven't noticed, it's pouring it down, and you are going to get wet, and you might catch a cold.
But, I want to stay outside and play in the rain. I want to play in the rain.
No! Absolutely not. Do you want to catch a cold?
Oh, come on. I'm not going to catch a cold. Why can't you stop being a wicked witch for once and let me play in the rain?
Well, I'm sorry, Dave, but since you don't have any of your rain gear on, then you might end up catching a cold if you play out in the rain, and we don't want that, do we?
Well, why can't you just dig out my rain gear so I can wear it in the play in the rain?
Because, Dave, your rain gear is currently in the wash. Now, stop being such a pathetic little man bitch. Stop crying and come inside, because the pair of us are starting to get wet.
No. I don't want to. I don't want to come inside. I want to play out in the rain. Catherine, you wicked witch. Why must you always be a witch?
Oh, for the love of sheepy Failer, Dave, I'm not doing this to be a wicked witch. I just don't want you catching a cold, that's all. My God! You are such a drama lord.
Lies. You are doing this to be a wicked witch. You entitled Karen.
Oh Lord Jesus Christ, give me strength, Dave, for the last time, come back inside. You're not playing out in the rain, and that's final.
And I told you that I don't want to, and it is final. Bitch.
Oh my God. How dare you speak to me like that? Right. You asked for it. You are most certainly not playing out in the rain now.
You mean all which one? Oh no. It's thundering.
Well, I guess that did the trick.